Okay, the market. I was looking at the charts right now. Let me do this. Bitcoin EOS. I'm gonna put it onto the 1 hour chart, right? And I was looking at something interesting. You seen here, right? Which was right here. Bitcoin kept falling down, and EOS stood. It didn't fall no more, right? We already touched the bottom, and it held this as support now. Okay, we could come around, chopping it sideways right here, and Bitcoin continued to fall a little further. Now, its next level of support, we'll go over that in a minute, right? So there's EOS. Here's Bitcoin Cash, right? And Bitcoin Cash just stayed sideways right here while Bitcoin kept falling. So this is showing, like I was telling you guys earlier, look at here, Chainlink sideways while Bitcoin falling, right? This is showing that there is a rotation happening already. Okay, so we can go through all these one by one, right? And say, hey, we see the rotation coming in. People are exiting their Bitcoin and they're buying the altcoins, which happens at towards the end of the Bitcoin cycle. All right, and this is the way you look for when you want to know if your cryptocurrency is about to run. So you'll pull up your cryptocurrency, and whenever Bitcoin has a retracement, if it starts to hold while Bitcoin's retracing, that's how you know it's ready to run. Look here. We had two candles, red candles in here while Bitcoin was falling, but it did not break its bottom. So XRP double bottomed right here, right? At 101. And so now it's getting a little bit of a buyback, but let's see if it just works itself out, right? They can work themselves out here for a while before a breakout. Here's one case right here, right? See how we fell and then we came over? So this is like a type of double bottom, and it just needs to work itself out sometimes. So I'm not concerned at all. But the rotation has begun, right? And so what about Bitcoin? So we came back into this pattern. We broke all trend lines. We broke that trend line, and we broke all trend lines, right? Bitcoin has retraced deeper than the body of the candles, which we thought it would come here, right? Just like the total crypto market cap did. Look at this is the previous all-time high, right? And so it came back into this body right here. Look at now. It could have came down to this area and still be bullish, right? That will still be fine, but it's holding here, so that's good. But now Bitcoin, where can it be finding some support at? Dang, it broke everything out. Yeah, the rotation begun. Okay, let's put it onto the daily. Oh, right here. So our next level of support is here, right? Our next level of support's right here. Now it cannot break this area at all. Okay, because if it breaks here, our next level support's here, right? And then this pattern's broken. So then what would happen to here, right? This level's at 50, right? I don't think it'll come down farther than 50. I don't think it'll come down. I think, if anything, it will find support here, maybe wick down, and then come back up, right? To the 702. And then the bull market's over for all the cryptos. Alright, so we don't want to see that. We want to see we want to see it reclaim this area, right? And this just be a big wick on the daily. Okay, so we want to see it reclaim 56,800 and then work its way back up to the 50-day, right? And then put a new higher high in, then come down, right? And then go to the 702. So say we came down right here, right? So that would look like this. Bitcoin climbing back up, it'll come back down, and then it'll come back up right here, and then the whole bull market's over. So there's the second possibility. And this is all on the premise, right, that I've been talking to you guys about for so long. Right there, that's 5, right? And then we're just in wave 4 right here. Right, this is 4 or 5. And then we're going to get one more bigger push. Now that's why I don't want to come down to this area right here. But it can, right? If it does, that is a baby 3. If it does come down to here, then we can get one more push, and it's going to be a smaller push, right? And the market's still done. I don't see no other opportunities but the two opportunities, right? That we break trend, and then this is already 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 5 done. We break trend, we come down here, we come up to the 702, which would be right here at 66.6, right? And then we fall down. That is one possibility right there. And the other possibility is that this is the 4th wave now, right? And we're about to reverse out of here and put one more higher high in, and then the market will really start going for the altcoins, right? And then it retraces, and then it's over, right? Those are the possibilities we're in right now with Bitcoin. Because now we are set up, we're really set up to come all the way up here, set a lower high in the RSI, and then fall back down. And then that would be this pattern right here, completed, right? I just didn't think that the people were going to fall for this shit. They're doing exactly the same thing over again here, right? And they're doing it again here. So when Bitcoin started to sell off, why did people sell their coins? I do not know. And we could tell how many sold, right? This is the total crypto market cap. I have a picture, right? I think we're going to come up here, right? We're going to come up. Bitcoin's going to top out at like 2 trillion. We're going to come back, and then bam, we are gone. Right? So at this point, change all your Ethereum into one of these coins that haven't ran, and then ride this up. Oh, no. My bad. We're looking at the price. I think we're going to come up here. And then this is where Bitcoin will top out at 75, right? 74. And then we'll come back down, right? And then we'll go for one more higher high in this, right? And then that will be ending while Bitcoin's coming to the 702. That was my bad. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, but the market looks like we're bottomed out already, right? Bitcoin could still keep coming down, but we've seen that the rest of the market's been staying still while Bitcoin's falling. And that's showing you rotation and that these are ready to take off, right? So what I've been saying and what I've been preaching to you guys is that Bitcoin is in the final. I made a video back there and I told you in the final 5 of 5, right? Which we're about to start. In the final 5 of 5. Like here, right? All the altcoins started running. Not all, but a lot of them did, right? And then this is where like ETH Classic and them really started to take off, right? This is where it went from 5 to 15, I think, dollars, right? And then it retraced, and then it really started to go, right? It was at $34 here. It had a retracement, and then it really started to go. And then by then, I think it was topping out right here, and then the whole market was going down here. So we're in this move here for Bitcoin, and I really do think we're in our last and final wave up. And it's going to be a wave like this. Maybe it'll be like this, huh? No, that's too big. That is too big. Might just be a wave like this. Right? It's going to be a little tiny wave. We're right here right now, right? We'll work it out, and then we'll take off, and then we'll hit our final wave. So I'm already at 13 minutes. I think the market's bottoming out. You know, Riot and they all made room, right? They're way up here. Now they made room to run, right? They made enough room to run on the final run. Now, are we going to get a double top on the RSI? I'm hoping so. But let's see what they do. Myra made themselves room, right? Hive has a lot of room to run. It has the most room out of the 3. But Riot has the most volume. Myra has volume, but look at Riot's volume is higher. I'm sorry, this is 278. Oh, 3. Oh, Myra has more volume. My bad. 4 million. 4 million. Yeah. Myra has the most volume. All right. Well, good night, and let's hope we don't wake up broke. That would be funny. And you know, everything has dropped. See, the total crypto market cap. Look, it came down and it held its position. It's going to close the daily candle. Oh, we're below it right now. Why are we above it on the weekly? Oh no, we're right below it. So I think we're fine, right? I think we're gonna start seeing some retracements over this weekend. All right.